Do you know many people are having trouble with accessing their doors using the Samsung SHS-H505? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check card registration. Check if the card or key tag is properly registered by placing it on the card reader. Listen for the DING DONG sound. Step 2. Register card. If the card or key tag is not registered, register it by entering the ID number and a new user password. Step 3. Disable double authorization. Ensure that double authorization mode is not accidentally activated. If it is, turn it off to avoid requiring both the card and password. Step 4. Place second card. If multiple cards are registered, lightly place another card on the reader within 20 seconds after the previous registration to avoid issues. Step 5. Initialize the lock. If the issue persists, initialize the lock by deleting all registered data and setting a new password. After following these steps, you should be able to successfully use your tag or card to open your Samsung SHS-H505 lock. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.